Hey, it's Sam Manor from Little Trail Restraints. I'm up here at the Central Coast, a place called Hayden Greta, somewhere out there anyway. I'm working on an Isuzu NPS, and this is a 2025. This is one of those big four-wheel drive trucks, and as you can see, we are going to put some anchor points in there, but have a look at the size of the wheels. I mean, if you are going off-road and you want to see some of the best parts of Australia, this is what's happening at the moment. A lot of these guys and tradies are buying these and turning them into like little campers, which is, I think, is a fantastic idea. So getting into the truck, mate, you're going to need a ladder, so make sure you carry one of these around. Okay, so for the kids to jump up into. And what I want to do is I want to show you what we've done inside there. These trucks don't come out with any anchor points at all. Anything that we have to do with anchorage points require engineer's report, which we organise all that for you. So you have options. You've got, you can either put the 2 anchor points on the outside position, which is driver and the passenger, or you can put the 2 anchor points in the center. And I'm going to explain what could be the better option, especially if you've got 4 children, or if you've got a family with the children who are older. Maybe you've got a 13-year-old, 15-year-old, and you've got 2 young kids still in car seats. So these are the options that we're going to look at. And so we're going to jump in and show you exactly what we've done. So in here, okay, what we've done over here is that we've put 2 DCAs. Now, when I say you can put other anchor points in there, so the anchor points will go up on the passenger or the driver's side. But I want you to think about this when you're working on these sort of cars. If you've got, like I said, you've got family and you've got 4 children, or you've got a couple of adults, so the retractable seatbelt is what you want to leave for the actual adult. Down here, you've got the lap belts. You can see down here that the lap belts, only the lap belts are in the center. Okay, so putting child restraints in the middle will help take away the lap belt, take up the lap belt, which means it leaves the outside position for older children to be in actual retractable seat belts rather than be just in lap belts. So if you want to keep everybody safe, I suggest put them in the middle there. That's only an option, okay? So here what we've done is put the DCA, so just press that out there, take the cover, this becomes the headrest. So when you put this on here, okay, locks in, that becomes a headrest. So press and pull off. You can see we've got the device here, which is a DCA, which that's your loading point there. That's your anchor point up the top here. Loading, anchor point. You depress those 2 buttons in there. That allows the slider to go up to allow you to get to the actual, to put the strap through. So what Glenn here decided to do was take up the 2 middle belts, okay, with child restraints. That way it leaves the 2 outboard positions for adults or older children to be in a safer position using a retractable seatbelt rather than just having a lap belt. So having a truck like this, 2025 Isuzu, this is a gem. I mean, you really want to be towing that caravan out there. You want something big. Anyway, I'm Sam. I hope this has been helpful. So if you're making a decision on where you want the anchor points to be, it's not a problem whether you do the outside or you do the middle ones. That's really a decision that you make, but the options are there. I'm Sam. I hope this has been helpful, and we'll catch you on the next video.